Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I encounter a problem when I'm dealing with a project, which is this, and I see that in Eevee it stopped working after I upgrade my driver, and I find it difficult until when I come across a simple solution, and I hope you're gonna find it easily too, and I hope this tutorial will help. So what we're going to do is, you realize that in Eevee, it is this, Eevee stop working, everything will just be blank, but if you use cycle, this is how it is, which means the project is quite okay. Sorry, I'm using a CPU. It's quite okay, but using Eevee it won't, to just be blank. And mostly what causes this is after I upgrade my driver. But what we are going to do is go to property, as render property, and select performance, then click high quality normal. After I do this, you see Eevee now is working normal, and the cycle is working normal as well. And the second option I hope you're going to use is go to device manager, and then go to display adapter, and click your driver, go to properties, then go to driver, and you roll back to the previous updates. Once you do that, everything is going to be good. But the one I found easily and comfortably is for you to just turn on the performance, which is the high quality normal. I hope this tutorial helped, and if you do, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.